every home buyer is looking for new construction. Sometimes buyers are looking for a home that has more space between the neighbors. Sometimes they're looking for a home nestled in an established neighborhood with mature landscaping, lush foliage, famous Florida palm trees, and a neighborhood that feels more like, I'd say, quintessential Florida. And when you do have those buyers, bring them over to Rive Wilderness. This is Parrish, Florida's only golfing, gated community and country club that does not have a CDD fee, which means they're not forced to pay for amenities they're never going to use. But if they do fancy amenities like golfing, tennis, pickleball, a fitness room, swimming pool, social events, a restaurant, and a new pub and bar, not to mention a beautiful, recently remodeled clubhouse, then there are certainly membership options available. In Rive Wilderness, your buyers are going to find custom and semi-custom homes ranging from villas in the high 200s up to single-family homes ranging, I'd say, from about the mid 300s up to almost $3 million for the homes backing to the Manatee River. And yes, Rive Wilderness even has a boat ramp for your buyers who are boating enthusiasts. And there are even some housing sections in Rive Wilderness that include lawn maintenance. With brand new golf and country club ownership and management, now is the perfect time for every real estate professional to reacquaint yourself with this very non-cookie cutter community. So myself, Kathryn Newman, with Allison James Estates and Homes, along with Ann Burke with Coldwell Banker Realty and Julie Franklin with Fine Properties, we'd like to invite you, our real estate broker colleagues, to come see a sampling of homes available for sale in this community at our broker open Thursday, March 5th, 2026 from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We'll have 5 single-family homes for you to browse, ranging from $399,000 up to $2.8 million, all from various sections of this quaint neighborhood so that you can see for yourself why this community might just be the perfect fit for one of your buyers. And don't worry, we're going to provide you with a grab-and-go lunch so that you can quickly get in, take a look around, share your feedback, enter for a drawing sponsored by Berlin Patent, which is one of our great local title companies, and get you back on the road to your busy work day. If you would like to pop by our broker open on Thursday, March 5th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., details are in the link below about how to RSVP so that we know how many lunches we'll need to feed you hungry people. We're looking forward to meeting you and sharing all that this Parrish community has to offer.